Hey folks, real quick, Thursday morning, markets are a bit soft. We've had 3 days of strength coming into the open today. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ all trading lower by about 0.4%. So not a major move. I think what we're going to find today is a bit of wait and see. So we have the big inflation number, CPI, due out tomorrow morning. So today you're going to find these markets in a bit of a holding pattern with traders not really being in a position or wanting to take much of a stance one way or another until we get that data out tomorrow morning. And again, that's a big data point. They're expecting inflation to be at one of the highest levels that we've seen since around 1982, I think is what they're projecting. So a big number. So again, quiet day in the markets, not a lot shaken, not a lot on the data front. Markets trading lower right now. We're seeing a weaker dollar. We're also seeing weakness in oil back below $72 a barrel in WTI. All right, folks, we had our educational boot camp on Tuesday. If you missed it, we've got those recordings up. Today's a great day to get in and watch some of those educational videos and prepare for the big day tomorrow. All right, folks, have a great day. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.